Proceed to the gate immediately.
Attention, please. This is a final call.
Hello everyone, we are off for a picnic today, and guess who we have with us? Everybody say hi.
Hi.
And your names? Guess who we have with us today?
Hi. Hi, I'm Anya. I'm Vitti. Hello, I'm Vihan.
And that's Jiggy. So how's the Josh, everyone?
Hi, sir.
Bill.
Hi, sir. Hi,
Yes.
uncle.
Yeah. Location for the day. This is Kaneve Mane.
What do you mean the first?
I'm here at Kaneve Mane. Guess what we are all eating? We made this palav at home. How's the palav, Vitti and Vihan?
Awesome.
Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get on. Some thumbs up and comments on the comment section. Stay tuned as we explore some lakes around Kaneve Mane. Picnic with the kids. Up the hill. Let's check this out. Come on. So we're trekking through this little forest near Nandi Hills.
It's so hard to breathe.
Stay with nature. Nature is so out of this. Hard, huh? Water.
Really hot, but it's super fun. Damn good. Awesome. Very good. I'm not tired.
Vitti.
Awesome. It's super fun. The view is awesome. Leave the phone. It's hot though. Bro, you're just
Trekking, this is Channagiri Betta on the same range as Nandi Hills. Beautiful place to go trekking, and the weather is as good as this. You can do it any day, anytime. If not, mornings are the best. Well, follow my videos on YouTube and stay tuned. It's quite a steep climb. I had climbed here a very long time back. Also tired as we climb this Channagiri Betta. Nice to step at this. Whatever makes it. Keep smiling. The range of Nandi Hills. I'm going to sign adios. Like this. It's fun taking it. outdoors where you connect with nature. So that's about it from this main log of mine.